Jay Gurudev. In this video, I am going to tell you all about tortoise and why tortoise were considered as sacred in Hinduism and their importance in the nature and their characteristics and why there is a one avatar of Kurma is one of the Dashavataras in Hinduism. Why that much importance was given to tortoises in Hinduism. In this video, I am going to tell you all about why tortoise is considered so much sacred in Hinduism, and one avatar of Dashavatara, that is Kurma Avatara, is there in Hinduism, and the characteristics of tortoise and their importance in nature. Tortoise are very hard surface on surface of their body and under their body. Under their body and on their surface of their body, they have very hard surface. These both surfaces are connected in sideways. They move very slowly. In Dashavatar of Hinduism, one avatara is given to Kurmam, that is tortoise. Kurma avatara is there. The Samudra Mantana is also happened on the surface of tortoise by putting Mandara Parvata on it. By putting Mandara Parvata on the surface of tortoise, Samudra Mantana happened. I have seen many tortoises in main Hindu temples. In the lakes near main Hindu temple, I have seen tortoise in Nageshwar Jyotirlinga temple. I have seen in the lake behind the temple of Nageshwar Jyotirlinga temple. Even though it is dirty water, there are many tortoise are there in that lake. It is also symbolized to say that all land on earth is on around 7 tectonic plates and also moving slowly like tortoise. It is also one symbolicism and one symbolic way to say that total the land on the earth is on the around 7 tectonic plates, and these tectonic plates are moving like tortoises. Current science experiments also have done on this, and they have also say like this: earth is the 7 tectonic plates of the earth also moving slowly. In our ancient Hinduism, they represented tortoise for that, because tortoise moves very slowly. The earth crust is also only fire. On that fire there is a mass is there. On that mass everything is there. Tortoise have shell on above and below. Because of slow moving nature, when enemy attacks tortoise, the body of tortoise goes inside between two shells to protect themselves suddenly. Tortoise cannot move fast. Because of that, when any animal like crocodile, lion, tiger or any other animal attacks tortoise, they just move its head and legs into the shell of the tortoise. This tortoise the shell of this tortoise is very high strength. Because of that, animals can't digest this, so that they leave the tortoise like that. They normally don't attack this. Its plates are high level hard. Because of that, there are even by putting hydraulic press on these plates, they only cause little damage to both plates. But after the high level press and high level energy on the by putting high level energy on these both plates, they may destroy after that. But initially, hydraulic press also cause little damage to these plates of the tortoise. These plates have that much strength. Because of that, in India, in Hinduism, they symbolized that mountain were put on the tortoise. They can bear that much weight. To symbolize that tortoise can bear lots of weight. To symbolize this, they put Mandara mountain on the shell of the tortoise. Cheetahs also, when tried to kill tortoise, they couldn't do it. And crocodile tried to swallow tortoise, but it could not able to do it. They put the tortoise in its mouth, but because of its hard shell and other things, it could not swallow the tortoise. Because of that, the crocodile left the tortoise and go away. Because of this tortoise shell only, it is not killed. It could not be killed by many animals in the forest or in the lakes. Some tortoise can carry more than 250 kg weight on them. Like all family of 4 people can stand on the shell of tortoise, and it can move after that. That's why in our Puranas they put Mandara Parvatam on it, because of its high level strength and high level weight carrying capacity. If you imagine the strength of the plates of the tortoise plates are same as strength of aluminum plates, same as aluminum utensils in home kitchens. One can stand on the aluminum glass, but nothing happened to aluminum glass. Like that, more than 10 people can stand on aluminum glass or aluminum big glasses, but nothing could happen to aluminum plate. That much strength has the plates of the tortoise. Aluminum solid also bulletproof, and bullet can only dig a small dip on aluminum solid, not much more than that. They could not do much more than that. These tortoise shells also have that much strength, and bullets also can't do to the shells of the tortoise. But sometimes when the high range and high level bullet can go into the shell of the tortoise, but low range bullets can't go into the shell of the tortoise. There are high level killings of tortoise happening in the inhuman and high level cruel killing of tortoise happening in the different countries. It is very highly unfortunate and highly cruel thing, and they are killing. There are many videos in YouTube and in other video platforms also, by removing the plates of these tortoises and killing them. It is very highly graphic content, and it is highly dangerous to the earth. These plates of the tortoise can weigh between 2 to 10 kgs. They can live around 100 years. Even teeth of the animals also, they can't go through tortoise plates. Even teeth of the all animals, they cannot go through and harm the tortoise plates. The maximum, the flexural strength is found to be around 160 MPa, and the fractural strength is around 40 MPa. These excellent properties are a result of its complex microstructure, which comprises not only inorganic, brittle, and rigid elongated crystals of hydroxyapatite, but also organic tough films and fibers. Microstructural characteristics vary greatly within different parts of the shell. Like that, it has 160 MPa, 160 megapixels strength. That is the bending strength and rupture only after putting the pressure of 160 MPa, 160 megapascals. Then only rupture happens and crack will happens in the plates of the tortoise. When only putting more than 160 megapixel, then only rupture starts on the shell of the tortoise and it starts breaks. Same strength as 6061 aluminum alloy. It has 35 megapascals of fracture toughness. Fracture toughness is after getting the crack, the even for low level strength, it will break into pieces. That low level strength is called as fracture toughness. The fracture toughness of tortoise shell is around 35 megapascals. The force which is after that force at which the continuous rupture happens. These tortoises are very friendly to humans. There are many videos in internet that two children or two people are sitting on its back and this tortoise moving around like that. Tortoises are in high level extinction stage and large number of tortoises are being killed and eaten by many people, and its cells are being used for many other illegal purposes. Because of this, tortoise has high level significance and importance in Hinduism, like Kurma avatar of one of the Dashavatars. That's why we should save these tortoise at any cost and help the nature to increase their population. Only eagles and other birds only can harm these tortoise by beaking with their beak into the shell of the tortoise. They will put their mouth into the shell of the tortoise and beak that flesh with their beak, like that. They will eat the inside part of the shell of tortoise, like that. Eagles do that, like that. Some animals only can do harm to the tortoise. I will tell further details about tortoise in further videos. Jai Gurudev.